Good evening and welcome to another video. This is a glow dreaming device. It's a white noise machine and it also has a built-in light, red or green, and it's usually powered via a DC barrel jack plug with an AC to DC adapter at 24 volts. But what I've discovered is that I can make my own DC jack, there he is there, and power it via this 12 volt power bank with the help of this USB-C power delivery decoy module, and it's set to 20 volts. Obviously I can't output 20 volts, but I've set it to the maximum because this can take up to 24 volts. But 12 volts this is running, and that's excellent. So it's been running for about 6.5 minutes. This is a 111 watt hour power bank, but it's a bit less now because it's a couple of years old. But yeah, I'll check in with you a bit later to see how long this can run the white noise machine. Okay, it is now morning. The glow dreaming has only used 12.72 watt hours over 14.5 hours, just about. So pretty efficient. This power bank can run it for quite a long time. And how I worked out how I can run this via DC was looking at the power supply. Output 24 volts, 650 milliamps. And as you can see here, that diagram means the center pole has the positive pin. But I was lucky that this could run off 12 volts, and I worked 12 volts because I'm using this USB power delivery decoy module. But actually I could probably just hook up a USB cable. Oh no, I couldn't. I still need to use USB-C because the normal USB cables only output 5 volts. You have to use USB-C to get a bit higher voltage. This can support up to 20 volts. So if I wanted to actually get to 24 volts, I still need a boost converter to bring it past 20 volts to 24. But this power bank can only output 12 volts. But as you can see, it still runs off 12 volts. Just not as bright and not as loud. But that's okay in a pinch. So that's all for now. And if you have any questions, leave them in the video comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.